Good morning, guys. It is the third day of Vlogtober. I am getting ready for work. We're about to leave. The boys had their FFA, I think it's like a conference or something this morning. So they're not going to be home till probably almost 6 o'clock tonight, and they had to be there 10 till 6. So I've just got to get all of my stuff together because I have to take the younger boys with me. I am running a few minutes late. I just need my tennis shoes. I'm going to be doing my morning shift from 6 to 8, and then I'm going to sub as the PE teacher today for the 3rd through 5th graders. And then I will do my second shift until 6 o'clock tonight. And so I had to pack my lunch and snack. And I also packed the little boys a snack for after school. They've already had their breakfast, and I just need to grab my coffee, and we'll be out of here. So, happy Tuesday. So I just finished my first shift. Came home really quick so I could go feed the animals because the boys had to leave so early today that they didn't get to do it. So I want to make sure that that's done before I go because I don't want them to be without food for sure. So I'm going to quickly get that done, feed the animals here, and then head off to do PE classes for the kiddos.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is all where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime.
Now I'm out of breath, but it didn't really take that long. We need to set up the pipe that the boys were working on, the one that broke. They were able to get some stuff taken care of with that, but the issue is now they've got to redo the spigot itself for the animals. So that's why I had to go ahead and fill the water, because usually we have it where the container just automatically fills up itself. Sorry guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put yesterday's video and today's video together because I had to end up cutting that a little bit short. It was just so busy yesterday. Once I went and did the substitute teaching, then I had to go to my regular second shift. And so it was a 12-hour work day yesterday. So as soon as I got home, we were doing homework and dinner and different things like that. And I went ahead and read the kids a story, and I went to bed about 9 o'clock. So it wasn't a whole lot of exciting, eventful things. So anyway, I just didn't video. So today I am about to make myself some eggs. They're here, and those are some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins I made for the boys. So anyway, I'm just gonna make myself some eggs, and I'm gonna make my list. I have a couple of places I need to go today. I need to take some stuff back to T-Mobile. I've got all that stuff ready now. And then I've got to go by Dollar Tree and get Gabriel some things because they're learning about Sparta right now in 1st grade. And so they're making Spartan shields, and they can bring whatever they want to decorate with. And so they're going to start on them tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and get his stuff today for him to bring. I am having a time uploading Vlogtober day 2. So I should be uploading Vlogtober day 3 right now, but I was having some technical issues, and I uploaded, it took me a while, but I uploaded the Vlogtober day 2, and then it was rejected by YouTube and said that I had a duplicate video like it, and I don't. So I'm re-editing it because that was the suggestion, and to either shorten it or lengthen it. And so that's what I did. So now I'm waiting for that to upload. And once that uploads, then I will upload the other one. So there will be 2 uploaded today, but that's okay. I have my list together, and before I tackle anything at home, I need to go out and take the things back to T-Mobile that need to go back to T-Mobile. And then I'm going to go to Dollar Tree for Gabriel so I can get his arts and crafts stuff. So I'll show you my list of what things I have to do, and we'll see how much I get done today before I have to go to work. Okay, so this is what I had yesterday's, or the day before's anyway. So this is what's left over on the list. So I still want to get that done. Put away clothes, pick up the living room, and clean the bathrooms. Then the rest of my list here that I made today: drop off items at T-Mobile, get craft supplies from Dollar Tree, edit video day 3. I've already done that. And then post the videos. I'm working on that if YouTube will cooperate. I need to start dinner and put in a load of laundry. So I'm now down in the laundry room. It is under the steps, so that's why you see this here, but we have our washer and dryer right over here. And I'm gonna wash some dark clothes because my younger boys are running out of clean uniforms. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just wash mine and my husband's darks at the same time. My older boys should be good with casual uniforms, because they didn't, this is Wednesday, they wore their dress uniform on Monday, and then they had an FFA event yesterday, so they wore their FFA dress uniforms. So they should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle some laundry.
Soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Just you and
I. These are the things I have to take back to T-Mobile. Personal cell spot. This one didn't work, so they sent us another one, and that one didn't work either. So that was not the problem for our cell phone service. And then there was also this personal cell spot, but this one they had sent us before. This was the wrong kind for our house. These were the right kind, they just didn't work. So I'm gonna take those back. I wanted to show you what I got at Dollar Tree. I got a big pack of straws. We all like to use straws, so I got those. Electrical tape. I'm not sure what happened to our other electrical tape, but it seems like we lose that all the time. Another thing that we always seem to misplace or lose is nail clippers. So I got three new nail clippers because I can't find any around here and we need them. I got some hydrogen peroxide. I also got this. It's awesome with oxygen. I use this in place of OxyClean, and it gets my kids' dress shirts and socks really white. All right, so this stuff right here, I picked this up for work. I am reading a book to the kids at work, and I'm gonna be asking them questions and giving them treats and things. I have a prize box, some candy in there, as well as things that aren't candy, but they were asking for something sour. So I picked those up for them. This is all stuff for Gabriel's Spartan shield that he's making. I got some glue to take into school, and he can share this with his friends as well. Some colored googly eyes. I got these sequins here that he can glue on. And then I've got these stickers, and then his teacher could just keep the rest of them if she wanted. They're motivational stickers, but it's like, you know, what a splash and stuff like that. So pick that up. These colorful pom-poms, I picked those up as well. And then these are gemstone stickers. I thought those were pretty, so maybe he'll like to use those. And then I got some washi tape. This one is the Cars washi tape. And then I also got the Minions washi tape as well. And so he can share all of that with his friends. I'll take that to him today so he can take it into his class, and they'll be able to decorate their shield tomorrow.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day.
So I have the rice, it's almost done. I've got to be leaving in about 5 minutes. And then I have the dinner in the slow cooker, and it's just gonna be like a Mexican flavored like topping. It has chicken and beans, Mexican flavorings. I have salsa in there, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. I have chili powder and cumin, salt and pepper, Worcestershire sauce in there, however you say it, and I have the red salsa, and then I had like a green chili salsa, and then a can of green chilies is in there as well. So they can have that over rice. They can wait for me to get home, or they can eat before I get home. However they choose. We do like to eat dinner together though, so they'll probably wait for me. And I need to grab me lunch really quick because I got to get out of here. So I'm headed out to work, but I thought it wasn't too bad. Here's my list of stuff I needed to do, and I was able to check off everything that I wrote down today. Going to T-Mobile and Dollar Tree, editing the video, posting videos, starting dinner, putting a load of laundry in. Well, it is about time for bed. My 2 younger ones are in bed, as well as my oldest one. The 2 middle ones are finishing up a show downstairs, and then they should be headed to bed. I have to put away the dinner. I had forgotten to have the boys do that earlier, but I wanted to show you dinner turned out really well. Of course, I need to put the rice away. That's we have that much left of the rice. And dinner actually turned out really well. It's hard to see it here, but let's see if you can see it like that. Dinner turned out really well. It tasted really good. It was a little bit spicy because of that green chili salsa. It's a little bit spicy. So I had a little bit of sour cream left, maybe about a quarter of a cup. And I put it in here, and then I put a couple handfuls of this cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Put a couple handfuls in that and stirred it up, and then we just topped it with the cheese as well. So that turned out really good. Well guys, I'm gonna call it a night here. I'm going to go ahead and edit the video and get it put up. I'm going to put away that food right there, and I'm going to go to bed myself. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. Hey bud. And take care. Night guys.